Let's get to the point. Ito na yata ang pinakamalambot na bibingka I've tried. A lot of bibingka brands kasi may tendency maging dry. Kasing dry ng mukha ng mga kakilala nyo na maraming comments sa buhay ng iba pero hindi naman maayos ang buhay at mukha nila. This soft and moist bibingka is from Bibingka Manila, a new food stall sa SM North Mall in Quezon City. And sila na rin yata ang may pinaka-glamorous na sign for a bibingka brand na parang jewelry store ang atake. And I tried 2 flavors and here is their menu. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. Kaka-open lang nila and their food stall is nasa ground floor ng main building ng SM North. I think ito yung near the Jollibee entrance and malapit sila sa Hawker Chan and Coffee Bean. And thankfully may few tables and chairs din sila. And mabait and magaling yung staff nila. The 2 items I tried, number 1, original salted egg and cheese, 65 pesos for 1 piece. Number 2, ube halaya and cheese, 75 pesos for 1 piece. The original salted egg and cheese was delicious. Yes, love ko na soft and moist ito compared sa dry bibingka ng iba, pero parang sumobra a bit yung softness. I asked the staff kung ganito daw talaga. Ganun daw talaga. I suggest they reduce the softness by 20% para lang maging less basa siya. I do not see the salted egg so I assume mixed na siya sa bibingka. I taste the saltiness so I guess yun na yung salted egg. And the cheese gave everything a pleasant stickiness. Masarap talaga ang mga pleasant stickiness na yan. The ube halaya was perfect in softness. This is the softness and density that I wish the original salted egg and cheese had. Soft pero hindi masyado basa. The ube bibingka itself had a subtle ube flavor pero it's there. The ube halaya makes the ube flavor more detectable dito. And I love na hindi siya overly sweet tulad ng mga ube halaya na nabibili natin sa mga pasalubong shop. As a fan of ube, love ko ito and this is how balanced ube should be. Overall, despite my suggestion regarding the softness of one of the flavors, na sumobrang soft lang naman by 20%, I still love the softness of this new brand Bibingka Manila. I will definitely visit again and try their other flavors. Click follow for the next story.